This is a very dumb garage, as you can see. And with smart homes being all the rage all days, I mean, you got smart windows, smart doors, even smart microwaves, garages have been kind of left out. But not today. With the power of this $15 board, we're going to turn this garage into a smart garage. This board actually has its own app that it will pair up with. It's called the EW Link app, and it's available on both Android and iOS. So you can go ahead. And so we're going to download the app, the EW Link app. And then, of course, read, sign the terms and conditions, everything, agree and continue. Of course, I probably just signed away my first child, but I don't really care. I can always make another, right?
The trick is not having one to begin with.
Pro tip, you're going to want to hit the register button immediately when you get on the screen because, well, it's having me input all my information again. So that's pretty fun. Registered successfully, awesome. Finally, log in now. Up there is the garage door opener that is very dumb, but it's about to become very, very smart. First things first, safety. We're gonna unplug the garage door opener. And if you really want to be safe, you can go ahead and go out to your breaker box and turn off the breaker leading to your garage. So this board claims it to be powered two different ways, although I only see one, and that is a 5-volt micro USB port right there. So I'm going to take a spare micro USB cable I have laying around. Pretty much any one will do as long as it's the minimum of 5 volts. And we're going to go into the second outlet. That was right where we unplugged the garage door. Decide on this one here. And then we're going to go ahead and plug in the board. Just like that, and that's all the power it should need. So, I see absolutely zero activity light on it. So on the off chance that it is in fact a power brick that's the problem, did bring another power brick. The problem was, honestly, the power brick was too smart for its own good. So be careful with what power brick you use. We're going to go back into the app now. Oh, here we go. And then see the little prompt for registering. It has the device model number there. Let's call it. So you just have to put the pencil icon. Okay, you want screw it. That's the only device I'm going to have this. Well, not take a few minutes. Drop it. Okay. And let's see, offline. All right, so it's going to take about 1 to 2 minutes to connect to the Wi-Fi.
A few minutes later.
Okay, and it is connected now for a little bit of time. Oh my God. And it works. And it works. So now that the garage is back to normal and obviously working, as we've demonstrated, we just can't leave it like that, really. You know, that looks really bad. And so what we're going to do is, you could probably get some adhesive, stick it onto the PCB and be perfectly fine, but we're not going to do that. We're going to have kind of really jank roundabout way of doing it. These are cable tie anchors and we're going to basically use those to attach the PCB to the ceiling. So, cameraman Matt here brought up a good point. He said you might not be able to do this, or he said that you'll probably be able to do this just off a 4G network, or like a normal cellular data network. My phone is disconnected from the Wi-Fi network, but it still works. So the important thing to note is that it's crucial that the little board itself stays connected to Wi-Fi. Your phone's Wi-Fi connection evidently doesn't matter, just as long as you can somehow communicate with your home network in whatever way, shape, or form that might be. The device is capable of working with Alexa, Google Home, or any other degree of smart home stuff and everything. However, the pairing process required you to sign in to your Google account via the eLink or the eWe Link app, which is what I use. And quite honestly, I don't trust it. Maybe that's just me being too paranoid about security. So right now, functionality with the Google Home device doesn't currently work, but if you really want a voice-controlled garage door, then go ahead, sign in with your Google app, and it will work. Other than that, well, we now have a smart garage door setup, guys. So, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. So guys, once again, thank you for watching. If you liked what you see, make sure to leave a like on the video and leave a comment on any projects you'd like us to see tackle in the future. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the little bell icon so you get notified every time we post a new video. And lastly, special thanks to cultureofgaming.com. For all your latest gaming news and reviews, head on over there. They're our affiliate website, and they put out some good content. So make sure you once again head over to cultureofgaming.com, and we will see you guys next time.